Hello guys, welcome back to StudyFX channel. On today's video I'm going to show how you can trade rise and fall manually. In my previous video I showed you how you can do the same using a bot. So for today it's a beginner friendly. Make sure you watch until the end so that you can have a few points to note down. So let's get started. As you can see here we have volatility. Here there is rise and fall. The next thing that we need to do here is to change our change type. We need 1 minute and then we need our candle. So let's get started. Although this one it's not that good. It has started to behave. So for this one, let me input to be this one it's a rise market, so we are going to wait for it to fall at least 3 times, and then when it retraces we go for a rise. So we are a bit late. We could have entered here, but you can use the trading view for deriv, but for today I'm going to use the internal one, this one for deriv trader. As you can see, this deriv trader. So this one we are a bit late. But let's see. Okay, let's wait. But when it was starting, it was a good entry point. Like, it needs to go down at least, make a wick, and then enter the market. So as you can see, we have exited here. We were a bit late. So let me see this one. Although it's a green area, so it's a rise. So let's wait. We are going to wait the next candle. Let's wait. I'll show you. Just be patient. Okay, let's wait this one. As you can see, it's a green, so we are going with rise. 1, 2, 3. This is the third one. So as you can see, we have our profit. I hope you have understood this. Like, it needs, when it's starting, this one, it's a green area, meaning buyers have control. So you need for it to retrace at least 3 times, make a small wick, then go up. Like, when you're entering, like the way we entered here in between when it's starting, it's a bit risky. Also, let me show you something. I don't know if I can draw here because I'm used to deriv. Sorry, to trading view. So when you're drawing, when you want to consider these two, if you want to go for a fall like this one, that's why we did lose here. I don't know why it's not drawing. So let me just open in trading view. Let me open in trading view so that I can show you something here. Even this one we were a bit late, so let's see if we can enter. But before that, let me open this here so that I can show you a bit of a trick here to know if the buyers are coming. But we can choose even here to use a line. Let me draw a line. Drawing here, it's a bit tricky. So I don't know. Hey, this one is tricky. 100 is, let me use this one instead. So I told you one thing that you need to make sure before you enter the market. Go to 5 minutes, look who are there, the dominator in the market. As you can see here, they are the buyers, if I'm not wrong, this candle. So you come here to 1 minute and make sure you enter only on rises. You can choose to do that also. So I was showing you this candle. Let me enlarge it so that I can show you this candle here. This candle. I'm using this green one. Let me delete it. So I want to redo here. Another thing that you can do here, as long as it's within this green one, as you can see, you just as you know here, we are following one candlestick. No need to look for those indicators, just one candlestick. So when I was entering here, I'm referring to this two. I looked at this one and then this one went up, but because this one didn't pass here, the edge of this triangle here, sorry, not triangle, rectangle here, because it didn't pass this green candle, that's a rise market. But as you can see here, it has come back to retrace. Also, there is a, let me draw this line here. You can see here, if you want to enter this market, you can see the first one is a red. When it was starting here and it makes a wick, you enter for a fall. I hope you guys have understood me. So guys, as you can see here, it came back to retrace and then went up. So we can wait for the next candle here and then wait for it to retrace at least 3 times down. 1, 2, 3, then make a wick. I don't know if you guys have gotten that strategy. And if you haven't, let's wait for another entry. So for this one, if you want to wait to enter a fall, as you can see here, it has come back to this the head of the liquidity, the last candle here, the gap, and then go up. If you enter a market using one candle, to avoid any mistake, maybe for you to lose, wait for the next candle. And I told you you can wait for the second to go back to 0, then enter, then we continue. So let's wait. Also this one, it's a bit let's wait here. 1, let me look here. 2, let's go up. That we have lost, but as you can see here, I think we have entered during the wrong time. It has gone up. So the entry time, it's the most crucial thing here. So let me wait for the next candle. Let's wait for the next candle. So it can come here to test this area. So this one, it's also, you can go with a fall, but the buyers still have the say here. So let's go to 5 minutes and see. Maybe in the 5 minutes there is indecision. It's a bit tricky here on 5 minutes. See, it's a bit tricky here. it was going up, then this candle came down, so it might be going up, down, higher high, lower low, lower high. Let me draw a trade line so that we can know. So it might be going down. Even if this candlestick they were showing us up, let's come to 1 minute and see. See, still going up, so we can wait for it maybe to test this. Okay, let's wait for it to come on the red side if you want to enter a rise. 1, okay, 1, 2, 3, and then we wait for a week. So let's wait for a week. I hope we win that one. See, I don't know if you guys can get the strategy. Okay, let's wait for the next candle. So I'm just looking here to see if it's retesting this trend line. So another thing about derivative or about rise and fall, you have to know a bit of forex, because there is so many things that you have to know. You have to know OB, there is order block, there is fair value gap, there is trend line, there is support and resistance. There is so many things that you need to do. So for this one, maybe it can retest here. As you can see here, there is a bit of resistance. So let's hope that's a good entry, although we have been left out. Let's hope we win. We have lost, although as you can see here, it's going up. You can choose 3 ticks, you can choose 1, you can choose 5, but for me, I usually go with 1. If you know the entry, it's much better. So as I told you here, it's coming to retest. We are a bit late. See, so you can choose even 5 ticks to make sure maybe you don't lose. As you can see, we are entering a bit late and then it goes in our direction. I don't know if you have seen that. Like most of our losses here, we're entering a bit late. So a week going, so that one, it's 1 tick of up. Oh, I have entered with 5 ticks. I hope I win. This one, it's the one I hope I win. See, I have lost, but if I entered with 1 tick, I could have won. So that's why I'm telling you, for rise and fall, there is a strategy for 5 ticks, there is a strategy for 1 tick. For me, it's 1 tick here. This one is still a rise market, so you can wait for it to go down like 2 to 3 times. Although this one down. Okay, let's wait again. For me, I'll choose to wait the next candle so that we can know our fate. So let's wait. So when you're entering with the next candle, make sure you check the previous one. Like when entering this green, check the previous one and see the direction of the market. Like this one, the direction for the market is up, but if you look at 5 minutes, it's a fall. So for this one, you can choose to go with a fall. As you can see here, it has touched our trend line, so it might go up or down. Let's wait. See, it has passed here. Let's go with 15 minutes to see. So you can do even the top down analysis. You start down, go up. As you can see, in 15 minutes, buyers are still trying to push this market up. As you can see, it was raging, then went up. For me, I would think it's a pullback, then continue going up. As you can see, a bit raging, although this one it's a 15 minutes, but I'm just checking it so that I can know the direction of the market, because you can't fully rely on 1 minute, but when you combine maybe 1 minute to 5 minutes, you can make a good money here. So we are left out. So this one has changed the character here, or have broken BOS here, so it might still go up. So entering in between here, it's a bit risky, but let me find a good strategy. 1 2 1 2 3. It's not making a wick, so let's wait for it to go up here, and then we enter for a fall. 1, okay, 2, 3. We are a bit late. I have entered with the 5 ticks, and if it was 1 tick I could have won, although we have won this one. I don't know if you guys have realized that strategy. It's so easy. That's why I told you, rise and fall, you can't compare it with any other market. The first thing that you need to know is a candlestick. Also, you have to know the way it retests, the way it do the pullback. There is so many things that you need to do here on rise and fall. And if you guys are interested, so I can show you the simple tricks, the candlestick that you need to trade here, because another thing, you can't trade all the candlestick here. That's another point I need to tell you guys. You can't trade all the candlesticks here, but there is a specific candlestick that you see that you can choose to trade, and also there are those that you need to leave out. So let's see. So let me see. Oh, it's still 5 ticks. See, if I entered with 1 tick, I could have won. I hope I won this one. It's also a win, but for 1 tick, I think for me, with this strategy, it's usually faster. Also, your internet has to have a high speed. Yeah. So that's it for today, guys. If you want to, maybe I do this strategy in another video, kindly comment below. I'll do another video. We do this strategy multiple times until you understand. And also, I'm planning to do live trading soon, and I'm torn between derivative or binary and forex. I don't know if you guys do forex, because I have realized most of my subscribers, they are for binary trading. So I don't know if you guys are interested in my live trading. You can tell me, so I can choose maybe to tell you, or maybe to just enter in the market, show you the few strategy, and show you the order block, fair value gap, so that maybe you, when you want to enter the market, even if it's 1 minute, I'll be showing you and mark the areas that you need to be keen on. So guys, tell me in the comments whether I do the live stream for forex and also for binary. I'm torn between the two. So guys, see you in my next video. Love you. Bye.